Volkswagen Jetta key fob programming depends on whether you have an MQB platform from 2012 present or a non-MQB platform before 2012. MQB platforms feature digital integration through the infotainment system and LIN bus communication. Programming involves the car's menu or tools like VCDS and OBD11. These support over-the-air updates and smartphone pairing using VW's CarNet app or Digital Key Plus for newer models. Non-MQB platforms use older CAN systems, often requiring mechanical button sequences and ignition cycling. They may need aftermarket tools for DIY programming due to their lack of digital menus. Security enhancements include two-factor authentication for app-based pairings since 2024 to prevent relay attacks. Always ensure your fob's battery is functional, and be aware that incorrect pairing can trigger anti-theft modes. For MQB Jettas, start by turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence. Then use the adaptation menu in the infotainment system to pair the new key fob. With tools like OBD11, the DIY success rate is around 80%. For non-MQB Jettas, insert the key and turn the ignition to position 2. Then press the lock button on the key fob multiple times. The success rate is around 60%, and you may need professional tools. Important considerations include using genuine VW parts to avoid signal interference. Lost key fobs can be erased remotely in newer models. Volkswagen has faced recalls for key fob hacking risks, so update firmware regularly. Emerging trends include digital keys via smartphones and biometric integration to reduce physical fob thefts.